CPD Online. Click, watch, credit. A confirmation of attendance will be emailed to you upon the completion of this video. Enjoy.
Well, welcome. Thanks for coming out. I am going to try and make this as interesting as possible, despite the topic. This is not about how to do accounting, and I can't teach you how to analyze a financial statement in this short a time. So the goal that I have is to have everybody leave here with a little shiver down their spine about what they didn't know. It's kind of like law school spot the issue, because using financial statements smartly is difficult to do because they're used for different purposes, and different purposes require different approaches to them and different levels of granularity in terms of the financial presentation, and as you'll see shortly, the backup, what's not included, depending on the use. So what are our potential uses of financial statements? Well, I'll pull a little bit from my own background. So I have 20 years of corporate and securities law experience and almost all my CA credits, although they don't call it CA anymore, and was headed toward a career in tax law and decided I wanted to do M&A with corporate securities law. So it was a great overlap with my BCom from U of T. And so that's a certain perspective on financial statements. So the uses in that world, and I asked before, there's nobody here from that world, but the uses in that world are the regular cycle of quarterly, timely, and annual financial disclosure, their use in mergers and acquisitions transaction, their use in securities offerings, and their use for general corporate purposes, bonuses, business strategy, do I keep or sell off a division, is a division performing properly or not, how do I rate my own business units as against the competition, where do I invest in my business, and where do I say I'm not really making much of a margin in that vertical.